Hi! In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to click on the bottom right corner of your device, over here. Then look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see now, my shortcut is blue and it says lock. That means that auto rotation is definitely off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same no blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!